Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Damlola and this is just the right channel for you. If you're joining me for the first time, please get comfortable, sit, relax, enjoy yourself because this is going to be fun and worth it. Without further ado, let's just get right into what I have for you guys today. So today we're going to be talking about organic black soap. Why is my black soap not working? Why is it not working? For heaven's sake, why? I spent a lot of money on this black soap. If you're in that shoe and you're worried about your black soap or your organic, precisely your organic black soap not working, I'm going to be answering that question, and I'm also going to be answering some possible questions that might be attached to black soap. Okay? Alright, let's just get into it. So, black soap, organic black soap. Bear in mind that I am not talking about Dudu Osu. Dudu Osu is a very, very authentic soap. It's a perfect soap. It is good. You might be looking for a soap that will lighten you or brighten you, or probably you just want to get dark. But is there any human being on earth that just wants to get dark? That's fair. I want to get dark. I don't think so. So Dudu Osu is just blend with your skin color, basically. That's what Dudu Osu does. It blends with your skin color. If you get the original one, to give you that, that even tone blend with your skin color. It doesn't lighten, it doesn't darken. It's just, giving you that, blending thingy for your skin color. That's what Dudu Osu does. So today is not about Dudu Osu. Today is about organic black soap. Okay? So I decided to do this particular topic because I personally have used organic black soap before. The question now is that, how was the results? Did it work for you, Dami? Okay, let me just answer you guys. When I used the soap, at first it was good. I loved it. It was nice. It was awesome for like 2 months. The third month, guys, oh my god, I had a lot on my face. I had pimples here and there. I had dark spots here and there all over my face. My face typically got irritated. And funny enough, I was using practically everything that came with, that brand. I was using their cream, using their body oil, using their scrub, a lot of things. So, but I'm sure the black soap is one of the things that led to my reactions, okay? So that means that organic black soap doesn't work for me. And I also tried another brand too, so it's not just my colleague. Doesn't mean it's not work for you. Doesn't mean it's not work for you. Doesn't mean it's not work for you. Doesn't mean it's not even working for one or two persons right now that is watching this video. So please note that I'm doing this video based on my own experience, okay? Alright? I'm not saying generally that black soap, organic black soap is not good for the skin. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying this based on my own experience. I have a sensitive skin and I have oily skin. I always say this all the time. I have a sensitive skin and I have oily skin. So I am sensitive to practically everything. Everything. Almost everything. So I'm very careful with anything I'm using on my skin. I'm too careful. I wanna use safe products, and that's why when I come here I always preach or recommend safe products to anybody that is watching my videos. If you watch my videos back to back, you will know that I always recommend safe products, okay? Because I know how it feels like for your skin to get irritation or for your skin to react to a particular product. I know how it feels like. I've been there, trust me. I've had eczema on my skin. Yes, I'm bold enough to say it. I've had eczema on my skin. I've had pimples. I've had dark spots. In fact, I still have a dark spot I'm supposed to treat. So guys, I know how it feels like. I've been there, okay? Alright, now let me just get to it. Why is my organic black soap not working? So first of all, yeah, black soap is good. Organic black soap. Let me not say black soap. Organic black soap is good. There's no cap about it. To brighten your skin. It will make your skin look good. It will give you this brightening effect. It has this whitening effect. It has this bleaching effect. It will, exfoliate your skin and remove the dead skin cells in it and allow the vitamin A and E there to work perfectly on your skin and thereby making your skin all whitened and everything. I'm not doubting that it's going to do all those things for you, yeah? But then, while it's doing all those things for you, also bear in mind that the ingredients they use in making all these things, all these products, they are plant-based ingredients. So there's a possibility that you might react to it because of the ingredients they use in making this soap. Plant-based ingredients, guys. And some people don't even get the formulations correctly, don't get the measurements or whatever they are using correctly. Some people don't. Not here to, say anything wrong to anybody. Alright, I'm not here to spoil anybody's business. I'm just here to shoot a content for my viewers, for my family here, just to help one or two persons out, okay? Especially for people that have sensitive skin. If you have dry skin and you have sensitive skin, or you have oily skin and you have sensitive skin, all these products is not good for you. I don't know what you are doing buying a black soap or an organic black soap. Yes, they might tell you that don't worry, it will not react to your skin, don't do this, don't do that. So these vendors that sell all this black soap, they always look good, they always have good skin, good color, very fair skin or white skin. They always look good because they've used it and it works for them. Do you get? But the question is it going to work for you? Just because it worked for them doesn't mean it can work for you. Just because it works for 99% of people doesn't mean it works for 100% people. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. Okay? So my point here exactly is that, please, don't say because this thing is working for Taye, it will work for Kendi. It might not be like that. That's why you need to understand your skin, understand what your skin like and what your skin doesn't like. Understand your skin type. It is very, very imperative. If you know your skin type, if you know what you need to know about skin, nobody can tell you, no, this one will work for you, no, this one will not work for you. Because you know what you're doing, you know what you're using, you know what works for you. So nobody can tell you, no, Taye, don't do this, or Kenny, no, don't use this. Because you know what you know. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. So my point is, please understand your skin type. Understand your skin. Understand what your skin doesn't like. What your skin doesn't like to wear. Okay? If your skin is sensitive, stay away from black soap. That is my candid advice. Stay away from black soap, organic black soap. Stay away from it because it might react. Your skin might get to react to it. And then you now have to start treating it. And that's another ballgame entirely. You don't want to be in that situation. So I'm saying this right now. I'm shooting this video for those of you that probably might be, wanting to use the soap, or you already use the soap and it's not working for you. You're just getting reactions. You're not even getting the fairness that you want, or you're getting the fairness but your face is reacting. Please, this video is the answer to your question. It is the answer to your question. I have used it before. So it's not about they say. I am telling you guys from my experience. One of my friends came to meet me and she said that, Dami, I need to fix my skin. I don't know what's wrong with my skin. I have pimples all over my skin. I have this, I have that. I'm not going to mention her name, but she's actually one of my subscribers and I love you so much. So she told me that she needs to know what to use to clear up her face and everything. And she has a very lovely skin. She has a fair skin color actually. Very, very lovely skin. But then her face, she has pimples and everything. So I asked her, what do you use for your body? And she told me that she goes to the market and buy black soap and then she mixes some things with it, turmeric, carrots, lemon, all those things. I'm not saying that doing that is bad. I'm not saying that doing that is bad. But what I'm saying is that you are not a doctor, you're not a dermatologist, you're not an esthetician, you're not any of all these things. You cannot tell me that you can mix soap properly by yourself. No. Even the so-called people that sell all these black soaps, they don't get the formulations correctly. It is now you that will not carry yourself to the market and be able to, buy this thing and mix it and get it correctly. So that is just the way it is. These things are very, very sensitive. All these products are extremely sensitive. If you don't get the formulations correctly, things might go wrong. Things might go wrong. And our body is not a body to be doing experiment on anyhow. You cannot just be doing experiment on anyhow. It's not fair. It's not fair on the skin. Please, go to the market, go to a beauty store. Let them recommend something for you. If you need me to recommend something for you, I will. Buy dermatologically tested products and then use it on your skin. You will get fantastic results. You get fantastic results. All you just need to know is your skin type and your skin color. That's all. That's all. Okay, possible questions can be like, Dami, I'm using black soap, it's working for me, can I use it on my kids? See, I will not advise to use black soap on your kids. No, they are too small. Don't use black soap on your kids. Don't use black soap on your private parts. Please don't. Even if it is good for your skin, it's not good for your skin. Don't use black soap on your private parts. Okay? If you're a white person, I mean white, and you want to use black soap, it's good for you, fine, but please just go to a beauty store. Let them recommend something for you, something that is going to really work for your skin. Okay? Please don't forget to ask me questions at the comment section about black soap or anything you would want to know in regards to skin. Drop a comment at the comment section. I'll be there to reply every comment. Okay? That's all I have for you guys today. Like, comment again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notification, and tell me something great at the comment section. Till see you again. I love you guys. See ya.